Alright class, we're going to have some fun today. I have a challenge for you. So we learned how to make shapes using the for loop. Your challenge today will be to create a diamond. Yes, that's right, a diamond. Okay, I'm going to help you. I'm going to do the first part, or the first half of the diamond, and you will be required to do the second half. So let's get started. So I will need to use several for statements, nested for statements. So the first one, in I1, I is less than 10, while I, you're going to add 2 to it. Okay, so this will control the first half of it. It's going to be 5 lines. So this is going to do that portion of it. All right, this is the compound for statement here. So I'm declaring the variable, setting it to 1. And so while I is less than 10, you're going to go ahead and create the top portion of the diamond. And we're adding by 2. Okay, so we're going to go from 1, 3, 6, 9, and that's going to give us the top portion of it. We're adding 2 every iteration. Okay, so here's my first nested loop for statement. Int j equals 0. J is, this is my Boolean expression here, while j is less than 9 minus I divided by 2, and then we are going to increment it by 1. Okay, and since this is a single for statement, I don't have to have any curly braces in this one. So what I want the computer to do is to print a space. Alright, now I'm going to create another statement for equals j again equals 0 j is less than I. I'm going to increment that. And this is again is a single Java statement here. And here I'm going to go ahead and print the star or the asterisk. And then I'm going to go ahead and create a new line here. Okay, so this is a different way of doing it than I did the previous lesson. So this means a hard return or carriage return. And then we have the closing brace there. So I'm going to go ahead and compile this. Okay, I do have a couple of errors here. I forgot the quotation mark there. Let's compile this again. And I do have another error. I think I have one too many. No, do I have too many of these? Okay, that one is for that one. This one is for that one. I must have another one somewhere down here. Yeah, I have a couple. Okay, let me take those out. Okay, compile. Alright, we have no errors, so let's go ahead and execute the program. So there we have, that's the top portion of our diamond. Your challenge will be, yes, to do the bottom portion of it. So, but I'm going to help you out there, and in the interest of time, I'm just going to go ahead and paste the other portion there, and you can stop the video and copy it. So I've done that portion for you. So your job will be to implement the rest of this program. Let me format it there for you. Okay. So this is the remainder of the program, and you will need to go ahead and put in the code that will do the remainder of the diamond. So it's going to be very similar to this, what you have here. Just try to figure out, see if you can follow the logic and see what happens. This, of course, does the top portion, and it stops at 5. Okay, this one creates the number of um, spaces to create to start the actual asterisk there. Alright, so you need to figure that out, figure the logic out, play with it. Notice that minus sign there means something. So this is going to produce a number like maybe 10 spaces. The next time it's going to produce maybe 9. So just play around with it, and this is a challenge, and I'm sure you will get it. One more thing, if you can figure out how to do this and implement it properly, I will award bonus points. So this will be worth 250 points as opposed to the other assignments being worth 100 points. So if you can figure this out, I will give you those bonus points. And I know you have spring break next week. Enjoy yourself. Have a good time. But go ahead and work on this, and it should be a fun challenge for you. And it will be due on Monday, the following Monday after spring break. So if you can get that to me um, on Monday, you will get the 250 points. Okay? If you get it to me before Monday, sometime during next week, I will give you an extra 50 points. So it's 250 if it's turned on Monday. And let me get that date. Monday, the 14th of March, 250 points. And if you turn it in on any time before then, you get an extra 50 points. So it will be worth 300 points. Have a good attempt at this. Please make sure you do your own work because you will be responsible for this on the test. You need to know how to do the logic. So while it may be easy just to copy from your friend the code, I would prefer, and I don't mind if you work together, but please understand the logic behind it, how it works, because you will be responsible for understanding the logic when you take your exam. Okay, bye.